It may seem like there are about 1,000,001 different types of car seats out there, but it helps to group them into the 4 stages of your child's growth. Newborns come home from the hospital and spend at least their first few months in an infant seat, then move up to a larger rear-facing child seat, then onto a forward-facing car seat with full harness, and finally a booster seat. However, many companies have designed seats that work well for more than one of those stages, adjusting to accommodate the growth of your child, so one seat can be perfectly safe for many years of service. There are many products available to choose from, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews of customer, and compiled a list of the best booster seats from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Graco AFFIX Youth Booster Seat. It's no surprise that this is the best-selling model of all booster seats, as it has pretty much everything for an incredible value. The Graco AFFIX Youth Booster Seat featuring latch system accommodates children weighing 30 to 100 pounds and from 38 to 57 inches tall, latches into the car's anchors, is tested for side impact protection with additional extensions around the head, features armrests and full padding for comfort, fully enclosed cup holder on the right and storage tray on the left that can slide under the seat for hidden treasures, meaning you have to make sure they don't hide bread crusts or banana peels in there, and removable cover for cleaning. As you can likely infer from the size range, the seat is adjustable, with the headrest and bell path guide height adjustable to grow with your child, and the back entirely removable once they are old enough. While the latch anchors are the old-fashioned clips and not quick release, they are tightened by a pair of easily accessible straps coming out of the front. I kind of wish I had spent a little bit extra on this one, instead of the event flow I got. Keep reading, even if it was just for the enclosed cup holder and storage tray. Number 2. Graco Backless Turbo Booster. Now, if you're sick of moving a latching high-back booster between the family van and your spouse's car or into grandma's car for a day trip, backless boosters are a more affordable option and still provide the right positioning for bigger kids. This Graco Turbo Booster Backless is another great value product from Graco and comes in a variety of colors and patterns, even offering a dinosaur pattern for your junior paleontologists. This backless version skips the latch anchor system, so it's a simple grab and go, and without the back. Now, if you're sick of moving a latching high-back booster between the family van and your spouse's car or into grandma's car for a day trip, backless boosters are a more affordable option and still provide the right positioning for bigger kids. This Graco Turbo Booster Backless is another great value product from Graco and comes in a variety of colors and patterns, even offering a dinosaur pattern for your junior paleontologists. This backless version skips the latch anchor system, so it's a simple grab and go, and without the back, it's much lighter, so it's easy to move around and great if you need to send your kid off in carpools or other cars they don't normally travel in. It's meant for kids 40 to 100 pounds and up to 57 inches tall, hideaway cup holders on both sides, and adjustable padded armrests for delicate little elbows. Number 3. BubbleBum Backless Inflatable Travel Booster Car Seat. While it is possible to travel with car seats and full booster seats, you probably have other things you want to carry along, and since all booster seats have to meet federal safety standards, a smaller, easier to pack portable booster is a great idea when flying away for a vacation with little ones. They're not very expensive since they are usually very compact, and the small size means they can also easily fit 3 across comfortably. This BubbleBum booster still has a strap with a loop for positioning the belt for shorter kids, so it also earns a best bet from eyes. The BubbleBum booster is inflatable, but the air bladder is reinforced with memory foam to add support and comfort. When it's deflated, it comes with a matching travel bag and is small enough that you can even fit it in your kid's backpack, stuffed into a carry-on, or even a purse. As it is a backless booster, it's only meant for bigger kids from 40 to 100 pounds and up to 57 inches. Number 4. Chicco KidFit 2-in-1 Bell Positioning Booster. Okay, well, all of my previous selections have balanced value and quality. This last one is a cost is no object, best of the best booster seat pick. When sifting through the ratings for all the booster seats, most of them will have a few people who were dissatisfied, scoring 1 or 2 stars and bringing the average down. But the Chicco KidFit 2-in-1 Bell Positioning Booster, after 58 reviews, has not had a single rating of 2 or less, and only one person gave it 3 stars, mainly because I thought this seat came with a snack box, but not this model. That's right, they downgraded it, because of the lack of a snack box. Come on, people. This one has just about everything that booster seats offer, with head and shoulder side impact protection, 10 height positions, double foam padding, and armrests for comfort, 2 removable cup holders, removable machine washable cover, and removable backrest. Latch anchors make it easy. Number 5. Britax Highpoint Cool Flow Bell Positioning Booster Seat. If your precious little cargo requires the absolute best and you're willing to spare no expense, you'll probably want to get a Britax, which are heavy, bulky, and high-priced, but offer extensive safety system above and beyond, simply elevating your child to the right height and ensuring the seatbelt is positioned correctly. Although the previous generation Parkway SGL had higher ratings, it is replaced by the Highpoint belt positioning booster, which updates the safety, look, and comfort. The big selling point of this pricey booster is safety, and the Britax Highpoint tops many competitors with 3 layers of side impact protection, featuring external impact cushions, and a lap belt positioning clip that prevents a child from sliding under the seatbelt in a collision. Color-coded belt guides make it easy to buckle up your child correctly, and it weighs only 13 pounds, so it won't be much trouble to carry it when switching cars. However, some reviews found that the belt path guides sometimes get in the way of the seatbelt retracting properly. That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know product price, please do check my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below, so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it's going to make your life much easier. Thanks for watching, have a great day.